So, good day everyone, my name is Carlos A. Monterola, and for today I'm going to tackle about our coding exercise 3 now. So, first here, as you can see, we have the public class, no? So, mo siya, public class sorting utility. Kani siya is ga-define siya og public class named sorting utility. No? Since it's public, it can be accessed from outside its package. And kini na class, ga-contain siya og sorting algorithms, helper methods, and a main program for user interaction. So here we have the bubble sort, no. So ang bubble sort is mo na siya ang works by repeatedly swapping adjacent elements kung naka-wrong order siya, no. So here we have public static void, no, bubble sort. So it is a static method that sorts an array of integers using the bubble sort algorithm. No? So being static, it can be called without creating an object of this class. So here we have int and equals r dot length, no. So it stores the number of elements in the array in variable n, no. For int I equals 0 ko na siya. So it is an outer loop, no, na runs n minus 1 times kay after n minus 1 passes ang array kay mo mahimo siya sorted na lang siya perme. And we have the for int j equals 0 that's our inner loop, no. So gina-compare niya every adjacent pair o i-move niya ang larger value sa right, and i-optimize niya with minus I. So after each outer loop, ang largest element is already at the end, and dili na niya need mag rechecking. And here we have this, no. Muna siya ang standard swap operation. If ang left element is bigger than the right, i-swap nimo sila, no. So kanina step nakakuha siya og large value to bubble up to the end. Next we have the insertion sort. So ang insertion sort is mo siya ga-build and ang sorted array into one or isa ka element at a time, no. So here we have public static void insertion sort rather. So mo siya, a static method na siya gina-implement sa insertion sort. So here we have int n equals r length, no, and kani siya. So nag-start siya from index 1 because single element list is always sorted, no. Each loop kay iteration inserts elements are into the correct position of the sorted left side. And here we have the int key equals r, no, and kani siya. So kana siya nag-store siya og current element to be placed in the proper position, no. And so as you can see here, we have this, no. So ang j mo na siya gina-use niya to scan backwards for the right spot, no. And here we have kani while. So mo na siya naga-shift siya og larger elements one step to the right until ma-correct niya ang place for the key, no. And we have this nag-insert siya og key value in its correct sorted position. And here we have the selection sort. So ang selection sort is ginapilitan niya ang pinakagamay na element sa unsorted part and places sa pinakasugod, no. So here we have this, no, the public static void selection sort. So mo na siya, as I said, no, mo na siya ang method na naga-implement, no, sa selection sort. So here we have this, no. So outer loop na to na siya. So naka-pick siya og boundary of the sorted and unsorted parts. So as you can see, we have the mini index. So ang mini index is nag-store siya og position of the smallest elements sa unsorted section. So we have this, no, sa tong code. So nag-scan siya og unsorted portion to find the smallest element. So and here we have int temp equals arr mini index, and mo na siya Nag-swap siya sa smallest element with the first element of the unsorted part. And as you can see here, we have the public static void display. So muna siya ang ato ang utility method, no. So it is a simple method, no, to print the array after sorting. And here we have our main method, no. So nag-ask lang siya sa ato ang user for the number of elements, actual values, and unsa na sorting algorithm ang gamiton, no. Since ato mga algorithm is we have the bubble sort, insertion sort, and the selection sort. We have a 3 sorting algorithms, no. So we have to choose 1, 2, or 3 ba. And so ang purpose ana is i-run niya ang chosen sorting algorithms o i-print ang sorted results, no. So let's try and run our code. So first here, no, mag-enter tawag number o pila ka elements itong ituan. So let's just choose 5 and mag-enter tawag elements. So for example 4, 3, 4, 1, 2. So after each pass, no, ang mga dagko na elements. So first here, mag-choose pa dito og ito ang sorting algorithm. So let's choose bubble sort. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So atong ibutang diri is 5, 3, 4, 1, 2. So after each pass, no, ang mga dagko na elements bubbles up sa pinakalast sa array. So ano kana siya ang dili ito makita kung unsa ang pagka-process ngano nimo siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But ang example ana is 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, no. So pag human sa first pass, may mo siya og 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, no. Antod mahimo siya og 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 atong unsa ni. Ito ang output nato. So let's choose the same ano, no. So let's choose insertion sort. So same output lang, no, pero different method kung unsa giun sa pag-unsa ni pag-ingani pag-output. So ginapick niya ang current element called key, ang shifts na dagko na elements padung sa right hand ma-correct position siya, no. So for example ana is katong gibutang nato na 5, 3, 4, 1, 2. Insert niya ang 3 before 5 and 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. Then insert 4, may mo siya og 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and so on hantod mahimo siya og 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lastly, we have the selection sort. So sa selection sort, na ibalik-balik lang niya hantod tanang elements mo sort. So example 5, 3, 4, 1, 2. Minimum is 1, swap niya sa 5, may mo siya og 1, 3, 4, 5, 2. Next min is 2, swap with 3, may mo siya og 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, and so on. Itong output may mo siya og 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mo na siya, no, atong sa ni. Thank you for listening.